guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine. As for me, I'm doing great. Before I tell you what I want to prepare today for dinner, I just want you to do something for me. Just hit that subscribe button. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share, and also if you are watching this video and you like it, just give it a thumbs up and I appreciate that. Let's get started. So guys, in my video today, I want to prepare scrambled eggs ama mayai ya kukaanga, and I have these ingredients with me that I'm going to use. So I have tomatoes here, I have onions, I have bell pepper ama hoho, I have my eggs, I have my cooking oil, niko na salt, I have my beef cube, this one, the beef cube, niko na paprika, and I also have my tartine here in a spoon. I'm going to put my eggs here. So I know most of you cook this differently, but I'm going to do this in my way, my different way, how I normally do this. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. So as you can see, nishatoa all the ingredients here because I need space. So I love beating my eggs separately in a separate tin. Ndo kama kuna uchafu, anything that in it, naweza toa, it will be easier to remove. Sitaki kupika na shells huko ndani, so I just make sure there is no dirt in it. Yes, I'm done. So as you can see, kuna mayai zingine zinakuwa na uchafu ndani. So just to be on the safe side, unagongoa hapa, you just leave them on a separate bowl. Though at least you remove the dirt in it. Usipike na hizo uchafu. I just prefer doing this separately. So I'll just remove all the dirt, kuna tu uchafu. See what I mean? This ones sindi hizi uchafu, so I just make sure nimetoa zote. So in the mayai yetu, so I just need to so at this moment now, I like adding my salt here. So I'm just going to put a little bit, this spoon, I think, and a little bit, hii imetosha, so I just beat it. And done. So let's get cooking. So guys, let's start cooking. And don't mind my pan here, imeungua kidogo. So now I'm going to put my cooking oil. As I told you, this is how I normally cook my scrambled eggs. I know most of you do it differently, but I hope you love my way of cooking it, and I hope you try this. So wacha ikuwe moto kidogo. So mafuta yangu ikikuwa moto, so let me just spread it all through the pan. So as I told you, nilikuwa nimeweka salt, so I just put my salt here. I love putting my salt here, ndo at least there is that taste, ndo ishike poa kwa mayai yote, than putting it on the onions ama nyanya. I prefer doing this. So saipa niko sawa, so I'm going to put my egg. Baki tuwe sasa kidogo. So let me clear all. Yeah, I'm just going to clear all of this. And I hope you love this way. I know most of you cook it mnakaanga kwanza onions, then nyanya, then you put whatever you're cooking, hizo mapaprika, manini, the spices, then you add in your eggs. Yeah, but for me, I just love it this way. Mayai kwanza ive, then I kaanga the other things. And it's my recipe, guys, inakuanga super delicious. I hope you try this recipe, guys. Yeah, just try it. It's a different way of cooking. So as my egg cook, guys, please, kwa wenye hawaja subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. Subscribe, like my videos, give this video a thumbs up if you love it. Comment down below, tell me how you normally cook your scrambled eggs. Yeah, the tips on how you do it. Yeah, so as I told you, this is my way of cooking. For those who kuna wenye wamekuwa wakingoja niweke video, and I know that you've not watched all my videos, so you can just go back to my YouTube channel, watch the other videos, and I know you'll love it. And also comment, niambieni zikoaje, give the videos a thumbs up if you love them, and I'll appreciate that. Support me, share my videos to your friends and family members. Yeah, support us, guys. Support Little Grace and Mom channel. So right now, I don't love my eggs to be that overdone. I don't want to overdo them. Yeah. So guys, my eggs are ready. As you can see, they are very ready. So I'm just going to put them here on this thing. Just need to separate them. Yeah, just like that. So the next step, guys, so I'm just going to put my cooking oil. Hii pan bado ni moto, so I'll just put the cooking oil. Na hii economy, we don't want to use a lot of cooking oil, so tunaitumia moderately. So yes, so right now I want to fry my onions. Put my onions. By the way, guys, I love more onions. Zinakuanga poa. The scrambled eggs, they are so much tasty. So let's wait for them to turn golden brown. We just need them to be transparent. That one, zive tu kidogo, isiive sana. As I was saying, guys, if you've not watched my other videos, kindly go back, watch them. Yeah, like, give them the thumbs up, comment, tell me how you love, whether you love them. So now, guys, as I said, hatutaki onions ziive sana, so I'm just going to put in my bell peppers. And by the way, you can use anything that you wish to use. Unaweza tumia hoho, you can use garlic, you can use but for me, I prefer using bell pepper, onion, na nyanya, and the other spices that I showed you. But for the spices, sitaki kufungia mtu, you can use whatever spice you wish to. Bell pepper yetu ishaiva. Yeah, it looks nice. Na bado hatujaweka mayai yetu. So right now I'm going to add in my spices. A little bit of paprika. You don't want to overdo it, so I'm just putting a little bit of it. That's more naive, my thing, of course. Yeah, that's right. And my beef cubes. Give it a stir. So let me reduce the heat. So right now, yeah, they're ready, so I'm just going to put in my eggs. So you see, that's my way of cooking. I know most of you have loved it already. Yeah, so kindly try my recipe. So when you wamezoea to fry the onions, the tomatoes, alafu mnaika mayai zenyu. So right now, try my recipe, and I know you will definitely love it. Looks delicious, right? Oh, sorry, zinaanguka hapo chini yake. Looks nice. the aroma in it, guys, it's super 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 delicious, guys. So try my recipe. You see, you don't need to use a lot of ingredients. That's it. Zetu nimeonyesha, and your eggs are the best. So kindly try and comment. If you try it, comment down below. Niambieni if you've done it and how it came out. Yes. And our eggs are ready. They are super ready. So let me taste a little bit. Yum. So yeah, I was cooking my scrambled eggs with some garlic, and I can't wait to enjoy it. It looks delicious. I don't know whether you can see, but I love it, and I can't wait to have it. They're much ready, and so I'm going to cover it as I cook my ugali. So guys, this is how it came out. As you can see, it looks super delicious, and don't mind the ugali, I had prepared it off camera, and yeah, you can as well try my recipe if you wish, and I hope you love it. And until the next video. So guys, if you loved the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and I hope you loved as well. So until the next video, bye.